So this year I've been using Canvas as a virtual learning environment for my senior physics class, and I've been implementing it as a series of modules which are based on the International Baccalaureate syllabus. Now each module contains a series of presentations which can be used in the delivery of the course, and looking at this module on electricity, module number 5, you can see that there are particular presentations, and then there are external links, and there are quizzes. And if we click on one of the presentations, that presentation then opens in Canvas's own inbuilt script module, which basically allows the students to actually engage in the lesson in the lab and then go home or go to the library and review the topic presentation as many times as they need at a time that's convenient to them, and allows them to spend as much time as they want on each actual slide. They can still get all the same information they would get in class, but they can go back to it time and time again. This has improved the students' own self-discipline and given them ownership of their own learning. And if we go back to the modules, we can also see that each module, as I said before, has external links. These go to include quizzes and these external websites. If we click on one of these quizzes, that then will open up a quiz built into Canvas itself. And when you go into these take not very long to set up. Each question can be used multiple times within the actual test. These questions down here are very similar to each other, and each time the student comes back to it, they can do the quiz as many times as they need to. Each time they come back to it, each of the numbers will have changed, allowing them to go through the process as if it's a new question. This allows them to keep going over and over things until they are happy with it. There are also various external links which lead to things like simulations and virtual experiments, very similar to the excellent resistivity simulator and resistance simulator based on the very good PHET website. And here's the same experiment here. Click on the link, loads this program from the PHET website, and allows the actual students to go over what the effects of things like temperature would have on their on how the atoms and molecules inside a battery, inside a wire, actually react, and allows them to actually see the different effects of increase in voltage, increase in temperature, increase in the resistance. Then they can actually get another view from the normal classwork. And these things, again, they can go back to over and over again, and the links are there inside the modules. The modules actually can be used in such a way that you're forced to go through them in the right order, so perfect for situations where face-to-face classes prove to be difficult. They also are accessible across any platform via a web browser that's just basically running any HTML and Java. And this is a way to use modules in Canvas for your senior classes.